What's up everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a closer look at SVE's MHP1 wheel designed for 2005 to present Mustangs. So let's check them out. If you like this video and you appreciate our dedication to excellent Mustang parts, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content and turn on those notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. So we took a pretty wild but intricate approach with the design of the MHP1 wheel. We were pursuing a wheel design that would obviously look awesome on any 2005 to present Mustang, regardless of the trim level, the color of the car, or existing exterior modifications. The MHP1 incorporates a slightly recessed hub area and a wicked overlapping split Y-spoke design. Nested within each Y-shaped spoke is an additional smaller spoke to provide additional definition, depth, and give the MHP1 that three-dimensional effect, or what I like to call the bird's nest. The MHP1 wheel is currently available in two of SVE's popular finish options, which include gloss black and gloss graphite. They are constructed using the flow forming process. This procedure changes the mechanical properties of the rim area to increase both strength and integrity, which results in a lighter weight wheel when compared to a cast wheel and offers a very high level of performance. Like several other of our SVE wheels, offsets and backspacing dimensions are very important to us. And these measurements are something we don't make quote unquote one size fits all. The MHP1 will feature the right offset and backspacing so they properly fit within the wheel wells and fenders on your Mustang. As far as sizes go for the MHP1, SVE offers this in 19 by 10 inch and 19 by 11 inch variants for 2005 and newer Mustangs. The 19 by 10 inch is going to incorporate a positive 35 millimeter offset, a 6.88 inch backspacing. They're going to weigh in about 23.4 pounds. The 19 by 11 inch wheel is going to have an offset of positive 50 millimeters, 7.94 inch backspacing, and they're going to weigh in about 23.5 pounds. Now these will not fit GT350, GT350R, 2020 and newer GT500s, or any 2015 and newer Mustang equipped with the GT350 style brake setups from Ford Performance. To read all of this in writing, before you purchase a set of SVE MHP1 wheels, please thoroughly review the product descriptions and the fitment notes. After all, our product development and marketing teams do a ton of work to ensure we do our absolute best to comb through all the fine and small print when it comes to wheel fitment. Furthermore, each wheel is currently supported by SVE's outstanding wheel warranty, and you can find out more information on that warranty by visiting the product pages. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything you may have seen in the video, please reference LMR.com. Until next time, you guys know what to do for all things S197 and S550. Keep it right here with the real Mustang enthusiasts, LMR.com.